Okay, we're in my bathroom and we're going to start on this wall. One thing I've learned when I'm doing these is that do it in smaller sections. So that's how I'm going to start, is in a smaller section. I think this is about all I can do at one time. I think if I did more than that, I'm going to mess it up. Since there are lines in the back, I'm going to cut it right on the 50. I think it doesn't have to be perfect because we're putting some more over the top of that and you can line it up pretty good. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get it as best as you can. For a perfectionist, it's super hard to do wallpaper, and I'll be working on this for hours. For somebody who's not a perfectionist, you probably won't notice every little flaw, although this has a ton. I've got to take the little scraper and scrape out all the air bubbles. That's an important part of it. I think this is so, so pretty, and it's much better than the paint that I had. There's still a lot of work to be done, but I thought I'd show you how great it looks, how much it brightens up a room, and really and truly how easy it is to do. You can either do the first method, which is take it a tiny bit at a time, or you can cut it into smaller pieces and take off the whole thing and put it down, or you can take it all the way to the top and go down. It's really just preference, what you think you're capable of. I just like to take it a little bit at a time, and that's the way I'll do the rest of this. I just wanted to show you there are many ways. This is not a tutorial. I am just showing you what the wallpaper looks like. It's got this fun texture, and I think that's my favorite part, is the texture. I ended up redoing it where the stripes were going side to side. Doesn't it look so nice? I have it in my bathroom above my vanity. I just think it looks so great. It took quite a while to get it done, but in the end, I love the way it turned out. Really great quality wallpaper. It was very easy to work with. I was able to peel it up, move it around, and even after I decided to go this direction instead of up and down with it, it's still stuck.